Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ghost, let me start. Whoa. Hey guys, Willen here. So this video today is gonna be a little bit different from most of my other videos because I'm gonna be talking about my experience over the past 6 months of starting YouTube, of starting a YouTube channel, as I can say. Well, YouTube is hard. YouTube is really hard for so many people, including myself, of course. And I'm sure even the most successful content creators here on YouTube will tell you the same thing, that YouTube is hard. That's why they took so many years to be able to get to where they are right now. And of course, guys, the truth is that here on YouTube, for you to be successful, you need to be consistent, you need to be persistent, and of course, you need to keep learning on the go every single day. It doesn't matter if you're just starting a YouTube channel as a passion or with the aim of making some money in the future so that you can quit your 9-to-5 job and just go in fully on YouTube. You still have to go through all of this process because of course nothing good comes easy. When you start a YouTube channel, there's a way that YouTube takes over you, because creating content consistently, maybe every week or maybe every 2 weeks or every month, is not easy because it requires a lot of effort, it requires a lot of time that you need to put in. For example, I am a business person. I started my business a while ago, and then starting a YouTube channel 6 months ago hasn't been an easy task because I had to learn how to divide my time between my business and this YouTube channel. Turning on your camera and shooting a video like this is only the first part. Then comes the editing part. You need to edit a lot, and once you do all that, it takes a lot of your time and you can't even do so many other things. But then at the end of the day, I believe that if you stay consistent, it will definitely be worth it. And as you keep watching this video, I'll show you my analytics here on YouTube, so you will get a chance in this video to see how many views I've had over the past 6 months since I started this channel, and of course how many watch hours I've had in the course of 6 months. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to be able to get monetized and become part of the YouTube partner program. But then of course it's not easy and many people have to go through a lot. And talking about watch hours, one thing I've learned a lot about getting more watch hours here on YouTube is that you need to do more live streams, interacting with your community. Well, I've done a few live streams before, not a lot, but then I plan to do more as I keep learning on the go. So live stream definitely help you boost your watch hours, and of course creating content consistently, because if you keep on creating content consistently, one day the algorithm is gonna pick up your video, and of course you can just blow up. No one knows, anything can happen at any time. Because the truth about what I've realized here on YouTube is that sometimes you only need one video for you to be able to blow up. From my research and from watching most of the big YouTubers, which I usually watch them a lot, I've realized that most of them usually talk about one particular video which just blew up and got them the 4,000 watch hours or the 1,000 subscribers, or got them maybe even 5k 10k subscribers. So sometimes you only need just one video for you to be able to hit that subscriber count and for you to be able to hit that 4,000 watch hour count. It's not easy, but then that's the reason why you need to stay consistent and keep on producing content as you go. So the reason why I'm giving you guys all of these explanations is just in case you are about to start a YouTube channel, or you have started a YouTube channel already and maybe you are at 50 subscribers or 100 subscribers, and you are hoping that maybe when you get to 500 or 1,000, this is what you experience. So that's why in this video I'm talking about my experiences over the past 6 months and hitting 500 subs last month, and all of the experiences put together have been amazing. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, if you have started a YouTube channel and you are still finding your way just like myself, well, one of the main reasons why I'm glad I started this YouTube channel, and also why I'm happy with my 6 months experience here on YouTube, is that I've learned a lot. When you're starting a YouTube channel, at the beginning you might feel like you know a lot, but when you start a YouTube channel and you begin to learn and you watch other people's videos and you watch people who have been successful before you realize that there's so much more for you to learn in your life, which definitely helps you boost your morale, boost your habits, and of course other aspects of your life, not just professionally, even your daily life. For example, my life has really changed a lot since I started this channel, and that's because I have experienced a lot of amazing things just watching tons and tons of videos. Because of course, for you to get better at something, you need to keep learning, right? For you to get better at something, you need to watch other people. For you to get better at something, you need to be able to understand how it works. And just by trying to learn more and upgrade myself and improve on my skills, maybe my video editing skills, maybe my video talking skills, I have watched so many videos and I have learned a lot. which has opened my mind to things that I didn't even know about. So for that, I'm really grateful for YouTube, because YouTube is really a platform that you can learn a lot, which can turn your life around. And you know, at the beginning of this video, I talked about managing my time between my business and this YouTube channel. And one of the places where I learned about the best ways to manage my time is here on YouTube. You can learn everything right here on YouTube. Most of my editing skills, of course, I'm not perfect yet. I'm still struggling. I'm trying my best to be able to perfect my skills, and I can say about maybe 80 to 90% of that, I keep on learning it here on YouTube. So if you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, if you've started a YouTube channel already and you're struggling for it to grow, YouTube is your school. You can learn a lot here on YouTube, just like myself. I keep learning every single day. And of course, I learn from you guys in the comment section a lot. I learn from fellow YouTubers who are also struggling to grow like myself, some who are already very successful. I keep on learning every single day. As it said, learning never ends. And well, millennials, learning a lot is just a little tip of the iceberg. I have also made a lot of friends, so many amazing friends. I've created lots of amazing connections and networks with other YouTubers like myself, and I'm really grateful for that, because most of the people are amazing. There's so much you can learn from fellow persons like yourself. You know, the world is now a global village, and there's so much you can learn just from starting a YouTube channel. So I'm grateful for that. That's one of my experiences which I'm really grateful for after starting this YouTube channel. And it's not just the aspect of learning more and creating new friends here on YouTube that I'm grateful for. I'm also grateful for my new habits, you know, because juggling between your work and a YouTube channel is not easy. It's not easy. It's really tough. So I've had to develop new kinds of habits which are definitely improving my life. Not just mentally, it's also improving my life physically. For you to be able to see the difference between when I started this YouTube channel and now on myself, you can watch one of my old videos here on this channel. Just go check out my very first video and then come now and look at this one. So YouTube is also like a learning platform which helps you develop positive habits. And you should know that all of these positive habits will definitely help you get to your goal, just like it's helping me get to my goal right now. And I'm more than grateful for that. And that is the reason why I had to make a video, to be able to share with you guys some of my experiences, some things which I've learned and which are really working for me. I explained it in the previous video which I made. You can go and watch that video. I hope you can learn a thing or two from that. And I believe that that's an aspect which is really priceless in the world today, because with lots of distractions left and right, social media, TikTok, everything happening left and right, the bank collapses and everything that's happening right now in the world, if you can stay focused despite all of this happening, then it's like you have a superpower. And you should know this, guys. There's one funny aspect about YouTube. One thing that grows with you is anxiety. You feel some anxiety as you keep on growing here on YouTube, because when you start, maybe you have 0 subscribers and you start growing your subscriber count maybe from 1 to 2 to 5 to 10 to 20. At some point you feel like you want to keep on looking at that subscriber count going up, or you keep on checking your watch hours going up. And when you keep on checking all of this, you become a little bit addicted to that. Well, I'm sure if you are a content creator here on YouTube, you would understand this point very well. At some point, you would want more people to recognize your work. You want more people to recognize what you are doing, to appreciate what you are doing. And that requires you to have more persons who can subscribe to your channel. And when people subscribe to your channel, of course, it feels good, most definitely. But well, guys, even if you have just 1 view or 2 views or no view at all, stay consistent. That's one thing I've learned so far here on YouTube. Staying consistent and keep on producing quality content, and everything is gonna happen. I've seen videos with really normal thumbnails getting tons and tons of views, and I've seen videos with amazing thumbnails getting just 10 views, and that's just it. At the end of the day, here on YouTube, it shouldn't just be all about the views. It should be about you. If you are gaining something personally as you are on your YouTube journey, I think that that's a win. It's a win-win. If you keep on learning something on the go and improving yourself as you build your YouTube channel, with or without a subscriber, it still helps you. And if the subscribers come maybe later on, that's a plus for you. You can then add the subscribers to your personal development goals. So that way you can use one stone to be able to catch 2 birds. And now, millennials, talking about my analytics, that's the subscriber count, the watch hours, the number of views over the past 6 months. As you can see right here, I've posted about 142 videos altogether in the course of 6 months. Well, those videos include shorts, because I learned that shorts really do contribute to your channel's growth. And then my watch hour count, as you can see, is 427. well, it feels like a drop in an ocean and a long way to go. That's why I said the watch hour count here on YouTube moves like a snail as compared to your subscriber count sometimes. But then I believe that with just one video blowing up, you can hit the 4K watch hours and the 1K subscribers. So I don't really worry so much about that, because at any time that can definitely happen. And talking about the number of views over the past 6 months, I think I've hit over 38,000, which is pretty good for someone who didn't have any idea about video making, about content creation, about editing. I just started learning every single thing I'm doing right now on this channel right here. I just learned here on YouTube, and I started here on YouTube. My very first video, I just pressed record and I got it going. I feel grateful for the time I spent here. I feel happy with my accomplishments, really happy. I feel happy about my personal development, my habits, my focus. Everything I've learned here on YouTube has been mind-blowing, and I'm so grateful for all of that. And I'm so grateful for you guys who are subscribed to this channel, supporting this channel, for all the other content creators like myself here on YouTube supporting this channel too. I'm so grateful to you guys. You guys mean a lot to me, and I hope that someday we can all hit 1 million subscribers together, most probably. So good luck to you guys, good luck to myself, and hope we all win. So if you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or if you have started a YouTube channel already and you are hoping for that YouTube channel to grow, don't give up. Consistency is key. Just press record, keep on doing the best you can, keep on making those videos, and hope for the best. For me, sometimes I just don't believe in luck completely. I believe that you need to put yourself in the right position, in the right scenario. You need to be doing the right thing for luck to come. So do your best, create that content, create that YouTube channel, just do you and get it going. And trust me, in a matter of 6 months, in a matter of 1 year, you would have learned so much more than you can ever imagine. Well guys, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And well, millennials, if you are thinking about how my very first YouTube video was, you can check it out right here. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming. You are amazing. Remember this is Willen. See you next time.